Hey guys, I thought I would show you a quick flip of my B6 TN. This is in the leather Raven from Mystic's Little Gifts, and I love it. It is a reinforced spine, wide. I believe it has 6 elastics, no pockets or anything, but it is such a beautiful leather. And yeah, let's just jump right in. I am using the Scribble Prints Co TN kit. I forget the name of it, but it is black and white, and I will have it linked down below. I also have my referral thing from Scribble Prints Co, which saves you a little bit off of your first purchase from their website. So if you haven't purchased anything from their website and you're interested in this TN kit, which I do believe is still available, you can use that code, I believe, or that link to save a little bit of money. And I think I get some kind of credit for like a future purchase. This is my Pen Gems pen. I was supposed to look this up. I believe it's Paparazzi. I love it. It is the silver barrel. You can see all my fingerprints on it with the kind of smoke crystals and gem. So let's go ahead and open up and get started. It's nap time around my house, so yeah, I better do this quickly. And let me zoom you in just a little bit. Alright, so when you open it up, I do have a secretarial pocket that I stuck right on the inside, and I put in one of the die cuts from the kit that just says Girl Boss, and the paper clip. I love these white paper clips that came in the kit, and there were tons of them, actually. I think like 4 or 5, so that was awesome. This is a sticker sheet that I have from a couple of years ago, or maybe last year, that just has holidays on it that I've been wanting to use, so I thought it would be perfect to stick inside that pocket, especially because it has that black kind of border right there. And this paper is from a kit from Studio Calico. I used to get their subscription to the scrapbooking sets for a long time, and so what I found is I love the way the papers look when I cut them down and put them into TN setups, so that's what I am using it for. I always want to keep my kids, my family close, so I have them as you open the TN with some accents of, I guess these are little ephemera from, I want to say Studio Calico. I know that paper is from Studio Calico, and then Simply Gilded foil washi. I don't have this washi anymore because I mean I only use it for stuff like this, and I had like tons of it, so I sold most of my washi off recently. This paper is also from Studio Calico. This bow die cut is so pretty. It's like a gray, a smoke gray, and this little I guess you could call it almost a compliment card was in the Scribble Prints Co kit. This vellum was from the kit as well, and then just kind of covers up some of the more colorful stuff. My idea with this was to have like black and white, silver with hints of pink. So some of my like inserts I didn't really want to change the covers of, so I made sure to cover them all with vellum and stuff like that. So like I said, the vellum's from the kit. This is a insert from Scrapcraftastic. I will leave a link to her shop down below, but she I have a 20% off code. She does printables and printed inserts. I love her inserts because they kind of just fit what I need. I'm finally using it for August. I think I used it for, maybe I never used this insert. I was like, I thought I used it before, but I'm glad that I'm finally using it because it's perfect for what I need. I made this little bookmark using a scrap of paper from the Scribble Prints Co TN kit, and this bow was part of the Scribble Prints Co TN kit. It had some adhesive on the backs for you to kind of just do with it as you wanted to, so I put it there to mark my month, and it is covered by an Aliu kit, clip. I think I got this black clip from the set that was in, that they sell at the Container Store. So, and I have a couple of Aliu clips throughout. I like to repurpose stuff, so like scraps of paper and stuff like that you can always make into a bookmark. And then that is the vellum on the back. I actually want to tuck that in there, just cover it up. This vellum I believe I printed from Scrapcraftastic, and then this is a daily insert that I got from a Mommy Lake kit. I believe it was in collaboration with Annie Plans, and I'm supposed to be planning today in it. I made this page marker using vellum from Studio Calico and papers from Studio Calico. It's just laminated, and my silhouette, I cut the today out, and that's what it looks like on the back. So I keep that tucked in there, kind of peeking out. And I clipped it in with another one of those wide clips from the TN kit. And that's the back of the vellum. This is the back of that front dashboard. I believe I have 3 dashboard inserts, and that's how I kind of clump them together. I put them around each set of strings. And all of these die cuts and compliment card is from the TN kit. I added some, I don't know if you can tell at the bottom, it's a like glittered washi. That's American Craft washi from Michaels, and the paper is from Studio Calico. This paper is also from Studio Calico, I think. So is this vellum that's in there, and this line paper or line scrapbook paper. This compliment card is from a weight loss website. I was just looking for motivational printables, and I found this, and I thought it was perfect. It says, if you do what you've always done, you will get what you've always gotten, and that's so true. Sometimes it's hard for us to let go of things that feel normal to us. So I made this pin clip. I kind of want to make another one that's on like a white or black binder thing, but it looks really good on colorful spreads because of the pink. What you'll also see is that I put a little bit of felt on the inside because I don't want to scratch up my pins, and that binder clip will do that. So that's something that you might consider if you're making your little your own pin clips. Here's my baby girl, and that paper, this XOXO, I think is cut from some ephemera from Studio Calico. This paper, it says this, more of this. I believe that's Studio Calico paper. Yeah, because it's from, you'll hear Bubba in the background because it's nap time and he doesn't want to nap. I believe it's either from Studio Calico or maybe Michaels, and then Simply Gilded washi. I put a little pocket here, and that's my honey, and another picture of him and my son, and then another, what's it, a heart die cut that I got from some kit. I can't even tell you. And that just says delightful. I used to have that in a different spread, and I'm just repurposing it. This compliment card says there are secret opportunities hidden inside every failure. On the back it says money looks better in the bank than on your feet, which is a hard thing for me to come to terms with. But these are some of my favorite little character stickers. Glam planner, not when I'm going to Starbucks, but just when I'm going to get coffee or a drink. And then I'm going to be carrying this every day, so like the work stickers I'm going to definitely be reaching for. This is of course a Target pocket, and I just stuck that on there. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little bit of like silver right there from a foiled acetate insert. Be careful with that, because I had foil inserts kind of like inside, and when I took it off it was like stuck. It's some here too, all over the my little dashboard here. So I had to just use some good old elbow grease and the tip of my nail like this to kind of get it all off. It was like dots all over it. So just be careful with that when you're using foiled acetate. Here's some Simply Gilded washi, and what I did was I decorated this craft insert from Coco Daisy. They have a B6 kit, and I only got it one time, and then I promptly switched back to A5 because I just loved the A5 setup over the B6 setup. So, but what I did do with this one was I covered it with some paper from Studio Calico, some ephemera. I forget where this card is from. This kind of Pin Gems-esque die cut is from the TN kit, and just a little bit of extras with Simply Gilded washi. And this is what the insert looks like. This is from their February kit. What I ended up doing, see right here, I glued the month together so that you can do it, so I can do whatever I want with the rest of it. And I'm thinking about doing like maybe daily gratitude pages or daily Bible verses. This clip is from Bella Beautiful. It was part of a kit that she had. I saw that she had extras, and I quickly bought this planner clip, and I love it. It also came with like a bluish color that I also love, and I can't wait to use for winter. I made another little page marker that says to do, and then this was a printable that I found online, and it just spells out mother and all of the characteristics of a mom. And then I thought this would be cool. On the back of here I put the oh, I didn't even notice. Oh, no, I can't pull them off. I adhered these little checklist stickies because I thought this would be perfect to put into any notes pages or anything like that for when I'm making shopping lists when I'm out and about, so that I can just kind of pull them out when I'm at the store and not have to keep opening up my TN. So I've clipped it in here with another clip from the TN kit from it's Scribble Prints Co. And that's that insert. And then this insert is from Happy Scrappy. Maybe I'll do something to cover up the back. Even though this is gold, I still loved it because it had the black and white and the pink and then the marble thrown in. So this is just a plain notes insert. I have a ollie clip helping to keep together stuff that I am writing. I'm writing notes in here. I'm keeping track of notes for my blog and stuff like that. So that's that insert. And then this is the back of that dashboard insert, and this is another printable. I believe I got it from the same weight loss site. And then some journaling cards because I have tons of project lifestyle cards. Oh, maybe this paper is from the Scribble Prints Co kit, the one that says more of this. Yes, I believe that's the case. But then there's a bow, and it has a little bit of glitter in it, and I love it. And then this clothing rack, this is going to be my life soon. I want to wear all black and gray and white. I think I want to switch my wardrobe to that. And then the Prada bag, and I added a little flower in front to make kind of a whole scene there. And then this paper is definitely from the kit. I decided to add a pop of pink, and then that black and white Scotch washi that's just so popular with another bow die cut. And then this one, it says, our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is to always try. Just one more time. I believe that was also from that weight loss website. And I showed on my Instagram how to make this, how to apply or actually make this vinyl decal that I put onto a Target pocket, and then I slit the Target pocket open to kind of make a easy to access secretarial pocket. These stickers are from Studio Calico. This is from, I think her shop name now is Sweet Paper Designs, and this is just to remind me to drink my water. And then there's vellum that I have. It's wrapped around this insert. This finance insert is also from Sweet Paper Designs, and we are using that. I meant to cover up, but I'll show you a blank page so that you can see. Oh, this paper clip I'm trying to get back on there. There's a bow clip. It's so cute. It's from also the TN kit. Like I said, a lot of this is from that TN kit, and it's such a great value, so definitely check it out. I think it's like a perfect anytime kit too, because I think the black and white, you can just add a little pop of whatever color you want if you want to like rock with the seasons, or if you want to just leave it black and white, that's fine too. But this is from Sweet Paper Designs, that finance kit. There's her Cocoa Bear, and then you just like list all of your bills here. You list your paydays, make any notes of things you need to remember, and then talk about what you spend here. This is really helping me to kind of think about stuff before I spend it, which I don't know if you've ever heard, but like writing down the money you're about to spend before you spend it kind of makes you pause and think like, am I really about to spend that money? Especially if you have like your whole financial outlook kind of written down in one space. So I don't know if she still has this insert, but if she does, I will link it down below. As you can see, it does say Sweet Decorative Chic, but she changed the name of her shop. This is from Lovely Little Planners. It's so cute. This I got it in a Libby & Co kit. I love her bows. I believe she was like making bows before a lot of people were making bows. So bows have always been a thing. And this insert is from 1407 Planners. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. But it was a B6 insert and it was blank, and I was like, I'll figure something out. If you have any suggestions on how I can use this box, or if you use this kind of box insert, let me know. have no idea. Maybe I can doodle in it, but I'm not really a doodler like that. And then this glitter clip is from Ali. This vellum, I don't think I mentioned, is from Studio Calico. There was this whole kit, and now I can't remember the name of it, but I have a little bit. I bought a planner kit in it, and I got the scrapbook kit, and I wish they still made it because I love the papers from that. Here is the final dashboard, and that, like I said, that die cut is from the kit, and so are the papers and all this here. And then that paper is from Studio Calico, but then this and this are from the Scribble Prints Co kit, and then I added a little strip of white glitter American Craft washi at the bottom. So that's it. That's what it looks like. It's chunky. It is all there. And there's tons of little cute things sticking out at the top and on the sides. And let's see if I can get this back in there. And it's perfect. I love Anna's work on this TN. I love it. I have a couple other TNs by her that I haven't even touched yet, because this one is like the one that I have been loving for quite some time. I think I've been using it since the winter of this year. So alright, but that's it. If you have any questions about anything, if I didn't mention something, you're wondering where I got it from, please post it down below. Let me know, do you get any of the Scribble Prints Co TN kits? Have you gotten any? Why or why not? And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.